Read code number 443, string compression. This is easy question. Let's get into it. Given an array of character, compress it in place. Space complexity is constant. The lengths after compression must always be smaller than or equal to original array. Every element of the array should be a character, not the int, of length 1. After you done modifying the info array in place, return the new length of array. We need to return length, not the array. Follow up. Could you solve it using only one extra space? Okay, that is the same meaning of the in place. Okay, let's check with example 1. In this time A is 2, so A 2, B also 2, 2, C is 3, 3. And then we need to return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. That is same as the index 6, right? Return 6. Okay, how are we gonna do? Okay, today I'm gonna use the 3-pointer technique, the left, right, and one more thing is anchor. And then okay, our simulation. Choose this one, and I will use anchor, right, read, and then I will iterate read one by one. And then if read is the not same as the next one, in case of now is same, so skip, and not same, this is pointer to write the about A. And then another condition is if the read is the indicate the end of array. This one also the point we need to write something, right? So if I'm here, I try to first overwrite the leading array to here, A, and then after writing it, I need to increase writing pointer. And then now I'm calculated the precursor of A is the right minus anchor. This is 1 plus 1. So I calculate 2 and then put here. And then also increase writer and then also increase anchor. Anchor now is the anchor needed to anchor. The B is the right plus 1. Does it make sense? And then increase reach, this was saying skip and different, and then write B to anchor and then increase writer and then calculate the right minus anchor. This is 1 plus 1 is 2, and increase anchor, the increase writer, because this is already written, and increase anchor is right 1, and then same now it located the end of index. So this time we need to write the C and then increase writer and then calculate. This is the 2 plus 1 is 3, and then next right is here and then anchor located here. And then we just return to which one? Yes, right. Because this one right index is the same as the length. Because the index is length minus 1. Okay, let's use another, this one. In this case, this one is different, so it's time to write. So read, and this time we do not write the frequency. So this time we just skip and then writing also skip, and then A also skip. Does it make sense? No, writing does not skip. Just because we need to increase in the writing index, so okay, let's execute writer. Writer is the reading index, so A right here, and then increase writer, and then anchor is the read plus 1, and then increase reader, and then now this one is same, it's skip to until here, and then this one is the 12. So okay, how I gonna first is I calculate the 12, and then and I'll change it to string. Then I will iteration 1, and then first, and then I write V, and the write is here, and each time to learn frequency, and I have to calculate frequency, and then I write the first index here 1, increase writer, and then I will write 2 here, the increase writer, and then return, and then now anchor is plus 1, and then return here. So return this one. Does it make sense? Does this make sense? Right. Okay. Now I will implement with this approach. First, I need the anchor. Yes, the initial is 0, and then writer also initial is 0. Then for read and character, I will use enumerator in number, rate, and characters. Then read the receive the index of Charles, and then character receive value of Charles. So if read plus 1 is length of character, or this one is when you reach the read is end of index, or otherwise characters read plus 1 is not same as character. That means this one does not same as. Okay, let go back. This is start point. In this time, when is the moment to write? This one is when this one reached here, and then this one does not same as this one, right? This one read plus 1 is this one. B does not same as character. A is time to write. So the first I will write character, put character anchor, because this anchor is to indicate the character, and then I will increase writer, so increasing writer, and then I will check if anchor smaller than read. That means if this one is the same, I will not write. So this one is the same as read, and then I will start to writing here. So to writing there, I need to make the counter, and then the writing 1 by 1. So 4 digit in CR. This one is read minus. Okay. Now it's anchor is here. Okay, use another one. BB. Anchor is here. And then I write here, and now write here, and then read is here. So this one is is 12, so 12 is lead minus anchor plus 1. And then this is 12, now it's 1, so I need to add this one first. So character writer right index, put digit, and then right is increase 1. And then to finish it, I will update anchor. This one must be 1, and then next is digit this one. So this one B is 2, and now it's here, and then anchor we need to move to next alphabet, the character. So I need to move or is left plus 1. Even this one is the same, anchor must be moved to next. That's one in this case. Now here in this time, anchor is the same as the lead, so it will not execute. But even though anchor needed to update to next character, does it make sense? So that anchor is the out of the if statement. And then return, I will return right. Let's check the code. Fix the typo. Character Charles. This one is Charles. Okay. Left. This one is lead. List out of inbound. Okay, lead plus 1 is meant Charles. Okay, looks good. Okay, time complexity, there are loop in loop, but in this case, maximum digit is only 1000. That is, the digit is 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, only 4 digit. So this one is fixed, so this one is constant. Even loop, this one Ligazi constant, so time complexity is the linear time, and the constant space because we do not use any data structure. Thank you.